everybody. This is MG Bora. I am chairman of Ragam Polymolds Private Limited. The company, which was actually started in 1996 in the name of Amul Polycure Industries Limited, but later on we have shifted entire business in Ragam Polymolds Limited. My son came in the business and he put the business to the second level. Maybe very shortly, third generation is also coming in the business.
My name is Amul Bohra, the Managing Director of Ragam Polymolds Private Limited. Our company has an experience of close to 28 years now in the industry of furniture. We started off with the manufacturing of just polyurethane components such as armrest and the molded cushions for office chairs. 2002-2003 we diversified into manufacturing plastic components such as the mesh bags, the bases as well as the cafeteria chairs which are used in the industry pan-India.
I am Aman Bohra, Director at Ragam Polymolds Private Limited. Now, since I am a mechanical engineer, my main focus is to improve quality, to bring about changes in multiple aspects and to bring about new product development.
We are proud to say that the biggest range of cafeteria chair in the entire pan-India is coming from Ragam Polymolds Private Limited. You can find at least 20 different models in different colors and shades.
कंपनी के लिए पैन इंडिया में मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ। हमारे ऑल ओवर इंडिया में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंड डीलर्स हैं जिनके साथ हमारे अच्छे टाइप है, हमारे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट उनके साथ हम लोग डील कर रहे हैं।
In chairs, if you see, we are one of the topmost manufacturers in India making these components, and the reason behind that is the quality of the molds that we use, the quality of the machines which are completely German or Italian, and above all is the strong workforce that we have which is highly skilled as well as been standing with the company since the inception of it.
Right now we have 5 machines. The smaller parts are mainly produced in the smaller machine. Our 580 and 650 ton machines mostly produce our cafeteria chairs, and our 850 ton machine produce the bigger backrests. Now this particular backrest is produced in the 850 ton machine. This armrest is produced in the 350 ton machine.
Which is not only we are supplying to the furniture industry pan-India, but also we are supplying to dental chair industry, operation theatre tables, and also we are making amusement park components.
You know, when you have a good chair, you optimize well, you have a good output. So I would also like to tell all the employers to give their employees the right chair. Starting with administrative staff, they maintain all the accounting and the invoicing purpose. Second, ladies. The ladies mainly do the flash cutting work, not only in the PU section but also in the PP section. Our factory workers operate the machines. Machines in the sense they take out the product, they pack the product and everything that is apart from the flash cutting part. Our machine in charges, they take care of the production optimization.
And our products are being widely bought by the chair manufacturers, like you talk about Nilkamal, you talk about Durian, or you talk about HOF Industries which is in Ahmedabad, and also a company called GK. I mean, they're all our customers.
लास्ट 8 साल से बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ हो रही है। अच्छे प्रोडक्ट हमारे डायरेक्टर और चेयरमैन लेके आ रहे हैं, जिसके लिए हमको आगे भी अच्छी मार्केटिंग करना है और हमारा ऑल पैन इंडिया बिजनेस ऑलरेडी है और भी हमको बिजनेस बढ़ाना है।
The secret of any business is
Hard work, trustworthiness and quality.
And there's also this one saying that hard times create hard men. Hard men create easy times. Easy times create easy men, and easy men create hard times. And this cycle keeps repeating. Me being into this generation of this company, I've seen only easy times. but I will make sure I don't bring hard times for my coming generation.
Ragam keeps this as a buzzword, and that is how Ragam is growing and growing.